Just as we predicted yesterday, we said that GBP USD will give us a bullish move for the day, right? If you've not watched the analysis we did on Tuesday, right? We did for Tuesday. You can go back to the channel to watch it. We did the analysis for Monday and Tuesday, and we said something, right? That market will give us a bullish move for the 2 days, right? So on Monday, market did give us a bullish move, right? This was a bullish move that we predicted market to give us. It gave us a bullish move. Tuesday, which was yesterday also, we also said that markets will give us a bullish move, right? And this is exactly what market did give us. It gave us a bullish move. So you can see that our analysis on this pair was absolutely correct, right? We are absolutely right. So this is to tell you that about 90% of our analysis on GBP USD and any other pair is absolutely correct. So this is one of the reasons why if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, make sure you like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you would not miss out on any single update. You will find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, this is our GBP USD. You can see it for the past. You can see for the past 7 days. Let's see this way. This is the one. This is the two. Here comes the three. This is the four. The five. This is the six, and day 7, right? This is day 7. Now we are currently on day 8, and this day 8 we should be expecting market to give us a bullish move. So this day 8 market needs to give us a bullish move. That is what we'll be expecting. We should be expecting market to give us a bullish move, which is for Wednesday. So whatever you would want to be doing on your GBP USD, you would want to be going in for the buy. So if you are not yet in a buy, go in for the buy. But if you are in the buy, it will be best to still hold in your buy position as markets will still push up to the upside. Now let's go down to the forward time frame, guys. What is market doing? Market is currently giving us a pullback. Now you all know what a pullback means. Basically, this is our higher high. Here is the higher low. Market was able to push up to form a new higher high, and this is our higher low, right? Market eventually give us a new higher high. You can see it push up to form a new higher high. Here is the higher low, right? Market eventually push up, was able to rally up to form a new higher high. This is the new higher high that market did form, which took out this previous high, and now this is an higher low currently playing now. So market is playing an higher low right here. Now with this higher low, we should be expecting market to push up till it is able to form a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high. So guys, a bullish move for the day is what we should be expecting on our GBP. So once this higher low plays out finish, in your London session, once the London session opens, you should be looking for a buy setup. But I believe by that time, the higher low should have played out finished. So in your London session, be looking for a buy. So once market gives you the buy, then and push up to form a new higher high. I'm going to do an update and let you guys know what you should be expecting next. So if you do not want to miss out on the updates, make sure you subscribe to the channel.